also subconsciously more convenient for you to communicate with them, because it happens, I face, so where people don't understand what you're saying when you speak in the kind of accent we do speak here in, right? But for me, I felt, you know, the opposite thing happened when I talk to my white friends or my friends from different countries. I have a heavier Indian accent.
I think the Indian accent generally is kind of looked down upon if you think about it, because when all of us go abroad, when other people are talking to us, like white people are talking to us, you'll never see them changing their accent. You'll never see them making an effort to communicate with us easier. It's always
because
us
it's their language,
Yana. Yeah, but also if they come here, you'll never see someone trying to talk in an Indian accent, and I think that kind
of
stems
in an Indian language
from,
as a matter of fact.
I don't feel like I was ever actively encouraged to speak Hindi or Punjabi or any of like the languages that I've like ethnically am connected to, but in fact I was encouraged a lot more to speak better English, become fluent in that language and really be able to enunciate well.
In our generation, because I think our generation as a whole is more in touch with their feelings, and it wasn't as prevalent before because people weren't really allowed, or their feelings weren't validated enough.
Talk about how you guys deal with your social anxiety.
See, I think I'm a pretty social person. I love meeting people. I love being with you guys. It's like my safety net. But you know, I don't know why. There's just like a lot of stress that builds up before you actually go into that setting. Like TT and I, every time we go out, we go for a party, we decide that we are going to stick to each other because we're scared to talk to other people. But like I think once we're there, we're good.
Not even other people. It's some plan is made. The first thing we do is text each other and we say, are you coming?
Are you coming?
Because even if the plan is just with, see, all of us are always there. Other people are also there who we talk to every day. It's just before going, we get this kind of anxiety. I don't know, it's overthinking to some level.
In our parents' generation, it was always like, okay, if you're a doctor, like if you're not doing science, then what are you doing in life? Like if you're not doing commerce, if you're doing arts, you're an idiot. Like, I literally had this conversation.
Even now, my friends in university, like, you're studying arts.
No, but I feel like it's improved so much. Like I was having this conversation with my dad today, and he was also like, when I was young, I didn't have a choice. Like if I did well in 10th, I was automatically promoted to like science, and then I was failing in science because I wasn't good at it. So I feel like we have that agency and that, just give me 2 seconds, we have that area to be able to grow and find ourselves.
Slot is the truth, now open your eyes. Slot, Delhi edition on the beat, secret life.